A bit of breaking news to bring to you right now on Links 007 TV, and it's that popular TV presenter Larry King has passed away. He was age 87. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. What a sad year. What a sad month with so much things going on throughout the world. And it couldn't have gotten any worse of hearing about the passing of one of the most profound longtime TV show hosts of CNN, and that's Larry King. I can tell you this news came as a shock to many right now, even though I was of the opinion that he was doing much better since he was diagnosed with the coronavirus some weeks ago. And I can tell you that this news came as a shock not only to me, but also to his fans, his friends, and his family right across the world. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to his family, his friends, and also his close associates. I've been watching Larry King for many years growing up, and I can tell you he's one of the most articulated hosts I've ever came across throughout his illustrious career. It spanned through decades of his craft, and he delivered and cemented himself as a household name not only in the USA but right across all diaspora of the world. And I can tell you that he will be sadly missed. And this is one of those moments when we look and we see what is going on right across the world. This year has started on a negative note once more. We ended the year on a negative note, and throughout the months leading into the new year, we have seen so much sad news making rounds on the internet, and this is just one in another. The passing of one of the most profound, prolific man in media, Larry King, passed away at age 87. And this man, he would have been in the business of his career for many years, and he would have interviewed countless amount of celebrities, stars, local people, and just people that was on the rise to stardom. I don't believe anybody can walk in the shoes of Larry King throughout his illustrious career in media. And I can tell you this news is very devastating, especially to those who would have worked close with him throughout the many years of his career. Now, we're going to bring you up to date with the latest report that we have to bring to you in relation to the passing of the popular TV show host Larry King. It's a very sad day for those that would have worked with Larry King over the many years of his career, and tributes have been pouring for the legendary TV show host Larry King, who passed away just weeks after contracting COVID-19. The 87-year-old TV star was taken to hospital in Los Angeles in late December of 2020 after testing positive for the COVID-19. He passed away at the Sierra Sinai Medical Center in the United States on Saturday. Larry King's illustrious career spanned more than 6 decades and is estimated to have conducted more than 50,000 interviews. He had type 2 diabetes, he suffered from lung cancer, and he also had a heart attack in recent years. No cause of his passing has yet been ascertained, but many people are speculating that it's a result of the COVID-19 which he tested positive for back in December of 2020. He became known and famous for his interviewing style and craft that ensured the subject were the true stars of his program, and left himself as merely an unbiased conduit between the guests and the audience. For 63 years and across the platforms of radio, television, and media, Larry King's many thousands of interviews, awards, and global acclaims stand as a testament to his unique and lasting talent as a broadcaster. Journalist and TV presenter Piers Morgan described him as brilliant. Piers Morgan stated that Larry King was a hero of mine until we fell out after I replaced him at CNN. And he said my show was like watching your mother-in-law go over a cliff in your new Bentley. He married 8 times, so a mother-in-law expert. But he was a brilliant broadcaster and master TV interviewer, Morgan stated in a social media post. Morgan took over King's time slot on CNN when he retired in 2010, and the pair famously fell out after King described the show as like watching your mother-in-law go over a cliff in your new Bentley. But Morgan added that he was a brilliant broadcaster and master TV interviewer. Larry King broadcasting fame began in the 1970s with the radio program The Larry King Show, which hosted on the network Mutual Broadcasting System. He then went on to have his own television show, The Larry King Live on CNN, between 1985 and 2010, where his guests included politicians, celebrities, sports stars, and well-known conspiracy theories. This has been Links 007 TV report on the passing of one of the greatest TV presenters and interviewers to date, Larry King. This is where we say so long for this report. Peace out, bless, and much respect for always tuning in to Links 007 TV. We'll have more updates to come on the passing of Larry King.